Hello guys, there we have Alcatel tablet 3T10 and today I will show you how you can remove a notification virus on this device. So if you see something like that on your web browser or in your notification bar, that means you have a notification virus. So at start we can try to remove it without antivirus app, and how to do it: just hold the finger on your web browser and click this eye icon. Now go to storage and click manage space. Now choose clear all data and click OK. Now your web browser shall be free from the notification virus. Additionally, you can check all of your apps on your tablet, and if you see something strange or something unwanted app, just remove it by clicking here. And sorry, I chosen bad app for it. Clicking here and click here in install. If that ways this doesn't work for you, I will recommend you to download some antivirus app from the Google Store, but remember to choose a trusted company. I will choose Avast. Now click get started. And click next. Now click skip and choose continue with free. Continuous free, and add any permissions after clicking this green circle. Click allow and allow again. Okay, see, now I was looking for unwanted software on our and any other viruses on this device. After it, Avast will delete it. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.